Hello to everyone. This is Joanna, and this is actually Monday night. Like it's after 11 p.m. I didn't realize it was this late, but I want to share with you my Maniology order. This is just a standard regular order. It is not my Maniology box. I did renew my Maniology subscription, but this is going to be the first box that I'm going to get that I'll be billed for tomorrow, since the last one from them that I hauled with you guys, which is probably a few videos back. I don't even remember what the plates would have been. Now, that's not to be confused with the order that I did with the plate that this look came from. And this is still in the process of being cleaned up. Y'all see this right here? Like I just did this look long enough for it to dry. I've still got to wash my hands and go into that cuticle area, but I want you to see this little print here. And do pardon my hands because they're still busted, but what I'm trying to do is just get my nails shaped and healthy. I still have peeling along the tips, but the oil that I'm using is definitely helping. I can tell the base of my nail, because the parts where I have the peeling, if I mess with it, it's harder to mess with and pull up. So the oil is working, and I'm going to be filing that part off. But that particular plate, I would like to try this look again with this particular pattern that's not focusing in there. I'm going to see if maybe if I do something different. But yeah, that particular pattern, if I could do that in a pastel or even primary colors, I would do black polish over the primary, where you have that green and orange and yellow peeking through. And then I'd like to do the same thing in pastel with white. But what this video is about, before I get off track, is I just wanted to share with you some things that I ordered. And what I was saying is, the Maniology boxes is a subscription box, and when you first get a box, you get whatever that box is plus a stamper and a scraper. And I have a hard time with a lot of the clear stampers. Some of them I can get to work, some of them I can't, so I use my standard stampers. But I do like the box that's coming for March, and it has nail foils in it, and you get billed every first of the month. You have a window where you can not get the box, but you're still subscribed to the Maniology. And I'm just going to go ahead and get that box, so they'll bill me $25 tomorrow. So I will have an actual Maniology haul for you then. And the company is out of Hawaii. They used to be Bundle Monster. So now that I've wasted almost 3 minutes of your life with that, my intent here is to share with you what I got. And I didn't get a lot. I never know if this is a sticker or just a paper they put in there, because I've never tried to pull it up. But if you do any kind of journaling or just things where you use those books where you write things down in the planners and things, these are nice. The biggest things that I got, and I got two this time, are, they're calling these their sticky stamper station. And all this is instead of me cleaning my stamper off with acetone, especially the clear ones, because that would damage them, you use this. So I'm going to open this up and let you see. Do bear in mind, guys, I'm on my cell phone, so I'll have to put my phone down because I'm always operating one-handed here. So this is what they call their sticky stamper station. And as you can see, you peel this page off right here, like each one of these. You peel that, and then you have a sticky surface. Now, one of the things I was also doing, any of y'all that have watched me do nail stamping a while back, is we use lint rollers. It's just nice to have this book, and mine is actually buried somewhere under that table because I cleared that table off. Then I started moving things about, and it's full again, but it's going to be cleared off again because I'm going to be moving a lot of these boxes to a storage room. And I'm going to be packing up a lot of my Starbucks cups because I got too many of those. But I have one of these books out. I just need to find it. They're really, really nice, especially if you do use the clear stampers. It keeps them from being damaged. So I'm going to leave this out, and I'm going to share with you what else I got. And this whole order, I think, was maybe $40 or $50. Those little books are $12 because they're 50 pages a piece, and you can get refills of 100. I think for $15, And I didn't do that, but I probably will the next time. So again, we're going to share with you what else I got. So in these two envelopes here, I just have plastic scrapers, and I will open these up and share these with you. It is, I think one has maybe 3. I don't know if there's 4 of these or 3. We'll see because I forgot. So here are the scraper cards, and these are a little bit more firm. Sometimes I like these. And these are the designs on them. Now, I don't know if these will be acetone resistant or not. These are the little designs on the cards. And sometimes people use these to take the extra designs, like those that do the reverse stamping, which I need to try that, where you fill in the image. And I think, were these two alike? I thought that 2 of them were just alike. They might not have been. So these are just nice little cards. And then the smaller ones, these were the ones where there were 2 that I liked the most. So these are a little bit more flexible. Now the one Maniology one that I have, the acetone doesn't seem to have destroyed it too much. I really did like this one right here. And then we have this one. And I'll probably use this one first. So I think what else we have is the actual ice cube stamper and the 3 stamping polishes that can also be used as nail polishes. I'll clean this up and share that with you. So here is the ice cube stamper set, and that's what they call this, an ice cube stamper. It is a clear stamper, and this print right here is on the cap of the stamper, and these are good for like if you color your image in and you want to see through there. And then this is the little scraper card that comes with it. And see, I like that as a nail design. I should have done something like that. Now, the 3 polishes that I got, I saw somebody's video, and now I have to go back through my history to see whose video it was that I saw. But they used, I believe, maybe this one. They used one of these 2 pinks, and that's what made me go ahead and get it. This one is Rose Quartz, and I plan on doing a French manicure with this pale pink here. And like I said, you can use these as nail polish and stamping polishes. So I plan on doing a pale pink tipped French manicure. And I will probably use my Holland Blue Maniology to put like a little flower or a little butterfly or something in the corner. But guys, like I said, I got a good ways to go to get my nails healthy enough for that. I got the Icy Blue. And this looked teal to me when I first pulled it out of the box, but it's starting to look a little light blue to me now. I just got this because I seen it on the site and liked it. And then this one right here that I consider a more truer pink than my pale one is Seashell. And I think if it wasn't that one, it was this one. It might have been both, but I know there was a reason that made me go ahead and get these particular stamping polishes, and I would like some more. Plus, in my other apartment, I think I showed y'all a set of 6 that I never ever even got to use, and they end up being dried, and I guess they were stored upside down, so I'd like to see if I can get some of those replaced. But that's all that I got, guys, just in the way of stamping for anyone interested in nail stamping. I'll share my box with you when I get it. And also, I am interested in some new Moira plates. I haven't done nail stamping like on here in a while, but I do plan on going back to that. So until the next time, everyone have a great night.